I've gone west, rolling down the highway like a tumbleweed. I've gone west, where the canyons fall into deep blue sea. Took a left from the hills of Tennessee. Yeah, and I've gone west to bring the best back with me. I've gone west to bring the best back with me. Hey everyone, this is Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Hey, this was a song that was requested recently, so and I love it when you guys give me requests. So I can't always promise you that I'll do them, but give me as many as you have. Give me any ones you want to learn. All right. So this is Gone West. The song is called Gone West, and the band is called Gone West. I don't think I'd heard this song before, so really glad I got to learn it. I live out west in the western part of the U.S., so really glad I got to learn it. It's like kind of cool for me, all the canyons and stuff it talks about. So you're gonna do capo on the first fret and standard tuning. All right. The strumming pattern is the same throughout almost the entire song. The only time it's different is when you go to the bridge. Before I get into all this though and tell you the chords and everything you need to know, thank you so much for all of you who have subscribed recently. I really appreciate it. To those of you who haven't, I'd ask you to do it, and I'd also ask all of you to please hit that like button. It's been awesome to get so many subscribers lately and to see a lot of people hit like on those videos. So thank you guys a lot. All right, enough of that self-promotional stuff. Let's just get into it. So let's do this. All right, the chords that you're gonna use for all the chords for this song are very easy and basic chords. Okay, you're only gonna use a handful of them, but the chords you're gonna need to use for most of the song, especially for the intro and verses, you're gonna use E minor. Okay, all right, then you're gonna use C. And then you're going to use G. I think that's the easiest G to use here, okay? You can do the other one if you want, but I think it's just very easy to go from that C to that G, okay? So, the strumming pattern that you're going to use for 95% of the song, if not more, is just going to be this, okay? So I'm going to try and show you guys my hand, all right? It's going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, down, up. So on G, you do that like twice. Okay, so you're playing the G chord longer. So here's how it is if it's faster and how they play it. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, just like that. Sorry, that makes me lose my breath to say that much. So when you're playing that during the verses, you just play a little bit softer. When you get to the chorus, you're gonna play a little bit louder. All right. So at the beginning of the song, you're gonna play that twice through. Now for the chorus, you're gonna play it. You're gonna use that chord progression and more. All right. So. I'm going to walk you through the verses first, so you can see. So for the intro, it's just you just play E minor, C, G twice. Okay, so you just do that same thing we just did. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, then you do that again. So you just play that twice. Now for the verses, those are the only chords you're going to use. You're going to use them in the same chord progression every time except for the bridge. Okay, so you're going to start playing the E minor before you start singing. It's going to be headed out. So you do E minor before headed, and then you do out is C. Out to California. So like halfway through California, you do G, okay? And you do E minor before you go into gone. Gone west. West is where you do C. West to see the sun. Okay, so sun, like right after sun is where you do G. There's a fortune. So you E minor before there. There's a fortune. So fortune is where you see. Fortune here if you got time. I found mine. So got is where you do G. Got. Okay, so you E minor before you say buried. Buried in the golden hair. So golden is where you do C. Golden hair she spun. So right after spun is where you do G. Okay, I'm not going to walk you through every part of it because it kind of takes a while, but you get it. So that should help you guys know kind of how to play the chords with the intro, okay? With the verses. Then when you go to the chorus, so at the end of it, when you do, let's go with the end of the first verse. So it's pick the sweetest sugar cane they grew. Okay, then you're going to go mute. I'm mute. I've gone west. Okay, so you're going to go mute, and then I've gone west, and then on west is where you do E minor. West, rolling down, so down is C. This is in the chorus, okay? And you're going to add the D chord to this, all right? So you're going to go, I've gone west, rolling down. Down is where you do C. Down the highway like is where you do G. like a tumbleweed. Weed is where you do D, okay? Tumbleweed. So halfway through the word, tumbleweed. And that's easy to remember, tumbleweed. Weed ends with D, so tumbleweed is D. Weed, I've gone west. Okay, so the way you're going to do this is the first two lines of the chorus you play through. You're going to do E minor, C, G, D. So instead of, you know how before in the verses you're playing G twice as long, this time instead of playing it like twice as long, you're going to go straight to D. But you only do that for the first two lines, and then the rest of it you just do E minor, C, G, E minor, C, G, and that's the whole chorus every time, okay? So it's going to be, I'll walk you through that a little bit more. Remember, it's the same strumming pattern. I would just try and play it a little bit louder or something, okay? Okay, so you're going to go, I've gone west, rolling down the highway like a tumbleweed. Okay, weed is D, remember. I've gone west. West is where you play E minor again. West, where the canyons are C. Canyons fall into is where you do G. To the deep blue sea. C is D. Okay, so blue C is D. C, took a left. Left is E minor. Left, to bring the best back. Best is C. Best back with me. G, so me is G. I've gone west. West is E minor. West to bring the best. Best is C. Best back with me. Me is G. And then when you're switching from the chorus to the verses, there's no hesitation. There's no like you just play instrumental or anything. You just go straight into it. So as soon as you do West, best back with me, then you just go. I chase the light to Amarillo. Okay, so you just start going right into E minor, C, G. So for the chorus, remember it's E minor, C, G, D twice, and then it's just E minor, C, G twice, and then you're out of the chorus, okay? So the only other part of the song now that you need to know is the bridge, okay? So the bridge, you can just keep playing the same thing, just like that, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay? You can do that. I wouldn't start doing that until you're like halfway through it. So it'll sound better if you just do, so you're gonna use C here, you're gonna start with C. I would just do a single strum like that, okay? So I would just do C, and then G. And then I would do C, G. So you do C, G, C, G, okay? Then you're gonna go to A minor, all right? So A minor, and then E minor, C, D, okay? Now when you do the A minor, so as soon as you get to A minor, that's when I would start doing this. Okay, so that same strumming pattern we were doing before. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, so you're gonna go A minor, E minor. It's safe to guess I've gone west. Okay, west. And then you're gonna go back into the chorus, okay? But remember, whenever you're like ending a verse or the bridge, you're gonna end it on a G, and you're just gonna go like that. All right, and mute. You don't have to mute it. You could just do G. I've gone west. Okay, and then start playing E minor. So you're gonna do E minor, C, G. Okay, that's the whole thing. So it's super simple. Like the strumming pattern is very easy, but it's a really fun song to play. It's because it's like upbeat and stuff, but it's not like too crazy or anything. So it's really fun to play. Anyway, let me know if you guys have any questions about it in the comments. If you have requests for other stuff. And yeah, I hope that you guys keep coming back to see more lessons because it's so fun for me to teach them to you. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.